right, let's do it.
What are you right now?
But I always thought of it. More now. Then I'm going.
You'd be surprised how you get one, and you're gonna be like, hey!
I probably
Fuck it. I'm gonna get another
my
one.
wife,
Wasn't too bad.
You know, just on the edge, but just, you know, but
It gives you a little outlaw.
But if I, you know, it's like they say, you go
Huh? 2 and 2,
and you really see the whole play, the artistry of it. I just, you know, it's just not that with jail thing. Some people, everybody associates it differently.
I'm feeling okay. Just thinking about this right now.
Go. Sorry.
The dry throat, sorry.
Timeout. Too many men on the field.
Go wrong.
Not hearing.
Yes.
It's like, you know, it's just like there, you
Get loose again. That's gonna hurt. Let's get something that's to your life that you never regret. You know what I mean? You don't just get it done. Yeah, but you don't just get it
You
done.
don't
Like,
just go
I
give me
kinda
that
learned, you know?
fuck me tab.
Yeah, exactly. Tramp stamp on your fucking back. Yeah.
You didn't get any air under that, but you hit it well.
You almost got it.
Now he's going to think he's all over you. You didn't really get any distance on that. So, oh shit, I got a pitch again. Why did I get up? I've been sitting all day, and I think I'm getting. I just wanted to hit again, Greg. I'm sorry.
Here we go, Phil.
No, but I already yelled because I didn't know. Yell to scare him. Yell's not for me, it's for him.
You know what I mean?
You're lying on the scale. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's like Ed back there.
What?
Like Ed when he plays back there.
Just to catch out of it.
Looks like he can't move and he's athletic as hell. Well, I'm certainly not.
Well, you might as well go for it. I'm just kidding.
Get him charging for me, okay? Back to me, guys.
And you run right to him.
Come on, Ronnie.
I don't feel like I need to go over that big guy. Stay away from him.
That's a bad pitch. Sorry. Inside. Come on, Greg. Let's get going again.
No, I have some in the car, but
I have some in my bag.
I had to lay with my arm up here.
I've got some loose shells in my bag. Okay, let me know.
I can't stop!
Okay. That was our worst half inning of the day. All right, we're on fire.
Can I go? Yeah, you can.
Trickery.
I don't know.
Yeah, you did actually.
That's the only.
Appreciate you not making me try to catch it, though.
Can't be donated. Oh, really?
We go same lineup. We go back to the original. What did he do?
Same as last time, I guess.
Same as last time? Same as last game?
I didn't put it in, no.
But they should
Here.
have.
You want to go you first?
Oh.
Like that question always was thinking that
Now you sound like a
One more?
Yep.
He also too far behind. They got 5 more runs trying to get the
All belly! All belly!
Comes on. These guys don't ball control that
Grab.
way.
Slip it and slide. Next
Attaboy.
one.
I knew we were going to keep it.
The options on.
Craig, where are we at?
It's only a $20,000 one.
Thanks, sir.
The pitcher's duel. What do we got on the score, LP?
1-all.
Savannah. All right, spinning contest. Let's go. Bottom 2, right?
Yep.
You're all right. Hey, you're all right. Let's go.
Pick me up, goddammit. Fuck!
Hey,
Come on, kid. Pick me up.
you go, I go. Let's go.
God damn it! Spun out again! Fuck!
Need to George. Come on, need to do it too. Come on.
What the fuck?
1-1. Bottom 2.
Why am I flying open? It's not my sign. What the fuck am I flying open for?
Hey, hit upon hit, guys. Build upon each other. Let's go. One at a time.
Hey. You mean, huh?
Short and swing. Just punch it in the middle.
Hey, your dad's the 70s, 70s. You live in 55. You know the guys on the team? I'd love to take two. Did they come in? Did they? Well, they were here. And no, mister. And that bitch going like this. Because I love going to see you play. The older guys that are still in shape, they're not just the big guys that like to field or guys that can, it's guys that still have their knees and their hips a little bit, you know, that can still move around and
You're an alternate leadoff hitter, right?
Right. And then, you know, you
Good job, Bragger.
good spot. Great shot, Greg. Good shot, Greg.
You're getting some great shots, whether you're trying to or not.
Power shot.
He goes, Ron goes, I was trying to get out of the way.
Everyone's going there.
Gotta wait on it.
One hand.
Solid. I got
Exeter and Arcadia Way. 48th Street stops at Indian.
Is that just one?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go for a while. I've seen our defense.
that batter's out. He's
Out of the box.
He's out of both boxes, God.
Ow, Mike, get out of there. Break into the middle every time.
I know.
I haven't tried to pull.
I know, and you hadn't gone there either. And you had a meeting of the minds.
Yeah.
So, Ron.
Back to me. Let's go. What? Oh, talking to myself. Oh, the parting of the Red Sea. Wow. Fuck. Even when you're not pitching, you're throwing me brush back pitches.
I was trying to drive it instead of that little strip that I'm missing, so I just wanted to drive it over there. Right. Yeah. And then, and the line your back pass looked like it just came down right at that left shoulder. Whoever's there, you know. Right, to drive it through, to get it through. Get it through the. But I'm missing. Yeah. Oh! Those are big fat fingers. Shit. Come on, Ron.
Trust the back man.
Hell no.
Just saw something. God damn it.
Man, backman is dead.
Pushed him up because I was over. Pushed him up. Fuck over here.
Sorry, guys. Let's go.
I know, I still, you just never know.
LT.
Mike's up, right?
I don't have the book. Craig's got the book. Craig! Who's up?
Score.
What'd he get?
Jason, what, 9?
They get 10 of them.
No, they have to.
They have to. It's just 10.
Go.
Go, 13 hits.
You gotta hit the stay. There you go.
Count out, 13 in a row.
Have one.
All right, Bubba. Oh, boy.
Shit, Bubba.
I didn't know. It's one of those things like you can get my hand on my car.
No, you're good. Nice spot.
Let's go. Let's go, Jordan. I need you here.
I got you.
I got you.
I know Mike's got one job.